Hello friends. Now today I c- come with a new question which is asked in CSIR NET exam in 2011 June exam. Okay, what does question say? Okay, first of all, question is based on the normality, and there have is clear cut analysis of the symmetric group. इन अदर वर्ड्स सिर्फ सिमेट्रिक ग्रुप की ये एनालिसिस है अगर हम देखें तो ध्यान से। तो चलो सीधे विदाउट वेस्टिंग ऑफ टाइम वी suddenly focus on our question. Okay, what does question say? Let H and K be subgroups of S4. H and K are two subgroups of S4, where S4 is symmetric group of four symbols. Okay, and you know about, I hope you know about the properties of the symmetric group and the definitions of the symmetric group. You know, one onto map. Okay, is you know all about that. Okay, that is the basic. Okay, now I here try to solve the question how to approach this types of problem. Okay, H and K are two subgroups of S4 where E is nothing but the identity element of S4. Then option 1 of this question says that H and K are normal subgroup of S4. Here I write NS, which means normal subgroup of S4. H is second option says that H is normal in K and K is normal in A4. Okay, and option third says that H is normal in A4 but not normal in S4. कि H नॉर्मल है A4 में लेकिन H is not normal in S4. Okay, and fourth option is what? K is normal in S4 but H is not. K is normal in S4 but H is not normal in S4. Okay, you have seen that the whole of the questions revolves around the normality of the symmetric groups. Okay, normality of the symmetric groups. If you are in exam hall, there is in exam hall someone has need the direct results, direct theorem based results, and tricks as much as one can do early, as much as one can. But if you are not in exam hall, do analysis carefully. So this question is just a game of 1 minute, just a game of 1 minute. Okay, uh, whole of the question based on this, that since we know that since we know that only normal subgroups of Sn are identity En and Sn. Okay, for every n, but not n equal 4. Okay, n जब n 4 हो उसको छोड़कर एक्सेप्ट n equal 4, Sn has 3 normal subgroups. Sn has 3 normal subgroups for n not equal 4. If n equal 4, then Sn has 4 normal subgroups, among them 2 proper normal subgroups. Okay, and in order to talk about An, alternating group which contains all the even permutations, okay, is known as alternating group. And uh, since here we need the definition of the simple group. What does simple group say? Okay, a group G is said to be a simple. Any group, any arbitrary group is said to be a simple if its normal subgroups are only improper subgroups. Only improper subgroup if its normal subgroups are improper, either identity or itself. Okay, then that subgroup, that normal, that group is simple group. Okay, a group G is said to be a simple if its normal subgroups are just the improper improper subgroups of G. Means there doesn't exist any proper subgroup which is normal in an except n equal 4. Okay, an is simple for every n belong n minus singleton 4. Okay, minus singleton 4. A4 is not simple. Why A4 is not simple? A4 is not simple. Why? This is a result. A4 is not simple. If you are in exam hall, you only apply this. Okay, an not equal 4, then Sn is an is simple, and Sn has only one proper normal subgroup at n not equal 4. Okay, at n equal 4 Sn has two proper normal subgroups. Okay, one is alternating group and another is this K. Okay, which here is given. Okay, this K. So our first option says that H and K are normal subgroups of S4. Our question says that H and K are normal subgroup, but only normal subgroups of S4. Only normal subgroups of S4 are identity A4, K4 and S4. Okay, so H is not. Here K4 is K, which is given. Here K is K4. Here this is K4. Okay, this is a normal subgroup, but this is not. Only Sn has S4 has only two proper normal subgroup. Otherwise, Sn has only one proper normal subgroup. Okay. At n not equal 4. Fine. So H, whose order is 2, that is not normal in S4. Okay. So H and K are normal subgroup of S4 is first option is false. Why first option is false? Option 1 says that H and K are normal subgroup of S4, but H is not. Although A4 is a normal subgroup of S4, but H is not normal subgroup of S4. Okay, so option 1 is first is false, and option 2 says that H is normal in K and K is normal in A4. Fine, K is normal in A4. Why? Because A4 is not simple. An is simple for every n except n equal 4. Except n equal 4. So here is A4. So is not simple. It has a proper normal subgroup. A4 has. That is K. The only proper normal subgroup of A4 is K, which here is given. Fine. So here H is normal in K. How can I check? H H is normal in K or not. Here apply the criteria. If here apply the criteria, that is result. Okay, if subgroup have a index 2 in G, implies that subgroup is normal subgroup. If subgroup has a index 2 in G, implies that subgroup is normal subgroup. Cardinality of H is what, 2, and K is what, 4. Here is, but H is normal in K. H is normal in K. So in K, and K modulo H is nothing but 4 modulo 2, that is 2. So index KH is what, 2, which implies that H is normal in K. And here says that, here he says that in the option 2, H is normal in K, and we have proved that H is normal in K and K is normal in A4. Why? Because A4 is not simple. A4 is not simple, so it has a one proper normal subgroup, that is given K. Okay, and option third is H is normal in A4, that is false. Why? Because A4 has only one proper normal subgroup, that is K. H cannot be. If H is a normal normal subgroup of A4, then this cannot be possible. Please check, I give you to the exercise. Okay, I give you to the exercise. Check whether H is normal in A4 or not. But my intuition and the result says it's not. Okay, try to check. There are many ways to check whether certain subgroup is normal in the group or not. Okay, try to check why left coset equal to the right coset. Okay, or not. Okay, but not normal in S4. H is normal in A4 but not normal in S4. H is not normal, false. H is not normal. And why seeing this option? No need to, why seeing H is normal in A4? No need to check whether H is normal in S4 or not. But we know that S4 has only proper normal subgroups are identity, K4, A4 and Sn. Okay, only normal subgroups. Sn has, S4 has 4 normal subgroups. Okay, among them 2 are propers, but H is not. So option third is false, and option 4 says that K is normal in S4 but H is not. K is normal in S4. This K is normal in S4. Fine. And H is not. Clearly H is not. And this K is, please go to the properties of the symmetric group. Okay, and see the analysis of this group very clearly. Okay, please, I give you the exercise of option 3. H is normal in A4. H is normal in A4. Okay, how to check it? Okay, you may check by applying left coset equal to the right coset. Okay, H A equal AH for every A belong K, but A does not belong H. Okay, check by this method. But in examination, do apply this. This may be a time consuming. Apply this on your home. Okay, and analyze us very well and clearly. In exam, only apply the tricks and the logics. Okay, so Thanks for watching this video. Please share, share. Try to help those who are hunger. Okay, there are many people, those who may hunger, for seeing that solving the problem of CSIR net. Okay, and please share. I request, please share and subscribe. Press the bell icon so that you can notify at exact time whenever the video is uploaded. Okay, and please comment. Comment is the only role by which we can imagine, we can think. Every person, different peoples have different approach, and everyone learns from there. Okay, and thanks. Please share, subscribe and comments, like as well.